Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and today I'm going to present you 10 AI SaaS. So this is a project that I've been working on, or this is an idea that I plan to build, and the idea is to make 10 AI apps in the space of marketing. I have created a lot of SaaS application during my work years, and I see the trend that some applications come and go, some trends come and go. But one trend that stays is always the marketing. Meaning, no matter how many AI optimization or changes in the business happened, there will be always a need for businesses to find potential clients. So this is the space of marketing. So everything can change, environment and things like that. But some basic or core features of every business is to find customers. And me also as a business, I have used a lot of applications, or I have paid for a lot of software products in order to scale up my business or to find new customers. And I came up with the idea to make those applications that I use daily or I pay money for it. And I can use it both for my own, and the idea is to sell them to you so you can start your own business in 2026. And since it's 2026, we all know the core features is always AI. So all of these applications will have inside AI agents that will do some kind of job. The idea with 10 AI SaaS is to give you like a bundle that you can use to start your own business for a relatively really cheap price. So please check 10.mobidonia.com, and there you will find information about the platforms that I plan to make and the period that I'm going to release these applications. The first application that is already released is EasyRank. So EasyRank is a way for you to write automatic blog posts, but it's not just writing blog posts automatically. The thing is that finding the right keyword and the relevant keyword takes time and money. For example, Ahrefs business plan is $99, and you will spend countless hours on finding the right keyword. So this job is still manual, and you need to look into your competitors to find all of the keywords that they rank for, compare it with your blog posts, and find the keywords that are relevant to your business. EasyRank does all of that. So you just enter your competitors, your target audiences, and the system will find all of the keywords that you can easily rank for. So it will not suggest any keywords that is difficult to rank and that you don't have any opportunity to rank for, but it will find the easiest keywords that had a really good potential for your business. And all of this is automated using an AI agent. So the AI agent will find those keywords, check them, how relevant are they to your business, and make blog posts daily on each of the keywords. So let's see how it works. On 10.mobidonia.com, we have the list of planned apps and EasyRank that we will discuss, and you can go in details and learn more about the platform. But what you can also do is directly try the demo. So when you try the demo, you will be presented with a email box where you can enter your email, and the instruction will be presented to you. But after you get the instructions to login, this is also to protect our system from misuse. You can log in into EasyRank to the demo platform, and you will be presented with the article planner. In real life, when your client will install the application, he will use the application, he will be presented with the onboarding screen where he will enter his competitors and his target audiences. We can check this into settings. So in settings per company, we have the country that we are in, the language that we want to make content in. And also this is important to find the right keywords, a block URL, link to our platform to see what we already have. So no extra duplications are done. The site description, you can select how the graphic should look, the header image of the blog post generated. You can also use human rules or do not use. So this is really to make the blog posts like they're writing for humans. So Google cannot detect, using these rules, Google cannot detect if you're using AI or not when you write this post. And you can also have persona templates. So who writes this blog post? It can be SEO, content strategist, growth hacker, and so on. For example, if the SEO makes the blog post, you can also modify this or enter your own personal rules. This is really important, so you can give like a real personal touch to the blog posts that were created. Then you can define a list of competitors, and based on this list of competitors, we will suggest keywords or check their existing ranking keywords and build a content gap and get the best keywords that you can rank easily for. Then we also have target audiences. So the keywords is also how they call checked if they're inside your target audiences. So these are the two most important things when you set up the platform, when your clients will set up the platform. Then if we go to posts, these are all some posts that were already being created, and later on we will see where they are posted. When I go in Planner, so when your client sets up the platform, when your client joins in your platform, they will enter the competitors, the target audiences, the link to their website, and after a few minutes the platform will build a plan. So it will find the best keywords. Using AI, it will check how much they are relevant to your business and how easy will be easy to rank for these keywords. So it's really important to know that maybe we can find the best keyword that is so difficult to rank for, so there is no way that you will be ranked on Google for that keyword. But using this software, we will find and sort the keywords best, sort by, we call it like a score inside the platform, and based on that we will build your plan. So for example, for my platform, I used my competitors to be WhatsApp related businesses, and based on that the system found me the best keywords that I will spend countless hours finding those keywords. So this is the first benefit. Then the second benefit is that these blog posts are automatically created, so I don't make any how do you call it, manual work when it comes to writing these blog posts. You can also delete this. If you don't like any keyword, you can delete it. You can add your own. So there is a way to generate keywords based on your competitors or target audiences. And also you can manually add keywords, some that you really like, you can add it manually, and that will be added in the plan. So you can use drag and drop in order to reschedule the planned articles. Of course, this is a demo, so a lot of functions are disabled just in order to protect the system as a demo. But let's go see the post, and the first post was the omni-channel marketing today. This was created today, February 6th. So if I go inside there, this is the first time I see this post, and I can see that the content that it was written, there is a link to my platform, to the project, and of course this time will become even better. Based on the settings here that you make for the blog creation, you can disable the AI human rules or do not use them, and the system will create this fancy looking blog posts, but this is completely dependent on you. But in this case, it really make a blog post that is short, it has this human touch on it. So you see, when I first started sending our payment reminders for our clients, so it gives like somebody that is really a human writes this. And Google will see this blog post as a real human written post, and based on that rank your platform better. Let's see what we have next. Here in SEO, we have one keywords. Since my site is really low on content, I haven't written any blog posts in years. I don't have any ranked keyword, but you can check your competitors. And for example, Vati.ai, I can see all the keywords that they're ranked for. So there is such a benefit from it. So your clients can check how their competitors rank on certain keywords and what is the estimation, how many views they will get or how many clicks they will get on those keywords. So based on that, you can find really interesting keywords. And I can do this for all my competitors. And I can see the keyword difficulty, the volume of this keyword, and what position I'm ranking for. They're ranking for. Also, there is a content gap, so you can cross-check you with other competitors. For example, is WhatsApp encrypted with difficulty of 16, which is really easy keyword, and around 3,000 searches per month in my location, in my language. These two of my competitors rank for, and probably this keyword is also in the planner. So because it's a good keyword, it has really good potential. In few days, probably I should have a blog post created automatically. Then we have integrations. So when the post is written, it can go directly to WordPress or webhooks, meaning that when we have a new blog post created, it can send a webhook to some webhook that we can define. So you can connect your platform, this platform, or your clients can connect this platform with tools like N10, Zapier, and whenever there is a new blog post, they can make a social media post or things like that based on the content that they will receive there. Or they can publish on tools, they can publish this blog post on their platform. We also have dedicated WordPress integration, and in the demo, now it doesn't show, but in reality, there is a WordPress synchronization directly with my blog posts. Because in order to protect my, of course, credential, they're removed from here. But in reality, as soon as there is a blog post, it directly goes to my Mobidonia blog page. So if I go to Mobidonia and then blogs, this is the blog post that was created today. And it has the image, and the image is based on what this keyword is about. Of course, with time, this will become even better. But yeah, even now the image is pretty good. It uses quite some advanced AI models for generating the image. And the best thing that I like is that this is humanized content and will rank on Google for sure based on this keyword that is really good. So I get all of those three benefits. These are the three core benefits, but the thing is that I'm just setting up the site, the settings. I'm telling what are my competitors, and I don't care about the blog posts. They are automatically created and they are automatically published on my blog posts. Of course, if I don't trust the system yet, I can make them as a draft. So maybe I will do some manual changes or things like that. So we have also, there is an option, the blog post to be sent in draft state. So whenever they're received in WordPress, they will be not published, but waiting for a review. With that, we are covering everything in this platform. Of course, this is your clients. When you run it as a SaaS, your clients will need to pay you for this because this costs a lot of money to run. For example, all of the images creations, all of the blog post creations, all of the keywords findings, it's something that costs money, and you need to use uh, two API keys from two different providers in order to have this platform set it up. But the process is relatively easy. All you need to do is get these two keywords, these two API keys, and in less than 1 hour you have a running platform that works as expected. I think this is really nice platform because it's just a start of it's the first of the 10 AI SaaS that we plan to have. And when you start this business later on, the customers that you will have in the first one, in the easy rank, are probably also will be a really good customers for the upcoming products that we will release in 2026. The AI improvements in the world and how software is made will allow me to make these 10 AI apps in a period of 1 year. Before, it should take me a lot longer, but now things have changed, and the way of making software is that you make software with a light speed, but not everyone can make how do you call software as a service applications, and probably will spend more time on creating that one than just buy this platform when you get all the 10 apps at once. So maybe at the time of watching this video, probably there will be more released platforms. So please take a look at 10.mobidonia.com. Take a look on each of the platform demos, get to know EasyRank and all of the upcoming platforms that we will release. And yeah, join our Discord community, growing community where I'm there, and you can communicate with existing clients of mine, where you can share ideas how you can grow your business and how you can find your first customers. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like the platform and the idea of making those applications. Have a great day. Speak soon. Bye bye.